Just compute the limit x tends to a 2 minus x by a whole thing to the power 10 pi x by 2a. We will apply L'Hopital rule. First of all, we observe that 2 minus 1 is 1, so it is of the type 1 to the power infinity, because tan 90 degree remains undefined. So it is, once again, it is of the type 1 to the power infinity. What we will do is, we will take the logarithm of this number, compute the limit, and again take exponential. Remember, logarithm and exponential are opposite to each other. So first step, we take logarithm of this number. So we take log on both sides. So log of y equal to log of 2 minus x by a whole thing to the power 10 pi x by 2a. As we are aware about logarithm, that we can take this power to the outside and write it as 10 pi x by 2a and log of 2 minus x by a. Now let us take the limit. This implies limit, we want x tends to a as per our question, log of y equal to limit x tends to a 10 of pi x by 2a whole thing into log of 2 minus x by a. If we want to apply L'Hopital rule, we have to either reduce the limit to the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. We know that tan can be written as 1 by cot. So this is equal to cot pi x by 2a. As x tends to a, we get tan 90 degree, that remains infinity. So 1 by 10 is cot, and that is 0. So we have a limit of the type, as x tends to a, you have log 1 here. So it is of the type 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hopital rule. As per L'Hopital rule, we can differentiate the numerator as well as denominator. And if we can compute the value of limit, then we can. So we differentiate the numerator and then the denominator. Now let's do it. d dx of log x is 1 by x, but we have to apply chain rule here, so we have minus 1 by a as well. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. And then derivative of pi x by 2a, that is pi by 2a. Now let us simplify it. We can cancel 1 by 2a out. We can cancel 1 by a. We can cancel minus. One by cosec square can be written as simply sine square. Sine square pi x by 2a divided by 2 minus x by a into 2 by pi. Pi by 2, if you reciprocal it, we will get 2 by pi. Now as x tends to a, this quantity is 1, and as x tends to a, we have sine 90 degrees 1. 1 by 1 into 2 by pi. But remember, we have taken log and computed the limit. We have taken log of y and then computed the limit. So we have limit x tends to a log of y equal to 2 by pi. So what about limit x tends to a of y? Once again, we said in the beginning that opposite of log is exponential. So this is equal to e to the power 2 by pi. And we are done. Our final answer is 2 by pi.